All right, everyone, welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. And here we are with ticker symbol NIO, NEO Inc. I want to say before I jump into this chart, I want to say to all my first time viewers and investors, welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this a video that means you well, informative, and helpful on your end. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for the support, the feedback, and recognizing my efforts. I really appreciate that. It speaks in volumes about you guys. And also when you guys piggyback off of what I state, I encourage that and I will continue to encourage that. If you guys want to share any information that's helpful to viewers and investors, do so. And I really appreciate when you guys speak amongst each other and you guys are helping each other out with questions. Really speaks in volumes of the community that we have here. And I want it to continue that way amongst each other, respectfully, and helping each other, learning and growing so that we can maximize profits and minimize losses. Let's jump into this chart. First thing is bullish run had happened, slightly dipped a little bit. The rejection happened at the highest point of 1469 in this trend here that we got going on. But interesting enough, the bullish run ended by itself. The bulls, they really did this to themselves here. You could see the exhaustion from their end. There wasn't much more they could do to continue this run. And here we are seeing no drop of bear, just the bulls leveling off. And from that moment forward, this just started to dip. And here we are seeing the bears and the bulls fight for control on this chart. And it's just been a wrestle, and the Bears have been dominating it, and now they leveled it off here. The question is, could the Bulls recover, or will the Bears continue to tug of war with them? Because just like they leveled off here yesterday, they could level off here and slightly have another dip if they continue to maintain control. So let's look at between the last couple hours of the day after this recovery here from the bulls. We're going to look at the resistance levels and support levels we want to keep in mind. Right now, the main thing that I see that pops out in this chart, and I hope you guys see it too, is that the 50-day moving average was above at this point before the bullish run, and now it's above again after this bearish run. So the 50-day moving average is above, and that means that the bears are in control and the bulls are going to have to come in hefty and strong. Even if they break through this resistance level, which is 1389, they still don't have control yet. The bears are still dominating this. So the 50-day moving average is 1408. I write that down. This is a very important number for tomorrow because if this does get crossed at some point tomorrow, the bears are losing traction and the bulls are recovering. But until getting to the 1408 mark, which is very important because it lets you know if we're on bearish territory or bullish territory, the bulls are going to have to break through 1389, which is the first resistance level. It's where they got rejected here and it fell again. That's when they try to recover and it fell. If they break through 1389 and turn it into a support, the bulls can be on their way to newer highs and breaking through higher resistance levels and probably get their way back into bullish territory, which is anywhere up here and above the 50-day moving average. Now, I closed out at 1379. On the other spectrum, we have the bears, and the bears are going to want to break through 1367. That's not that far from the closing price. That's just a difference of 12 cents. And if the bears bring this down to the support and break through it, they're just bringing it further down to bearish territory and moving it further away from the 50-day moving average, just showing that they are maintaining control. If that support does get broken, the lowest point in the day, which is 1353, you guys can write that down. That's another point to really pay close attention to. If you feel bullish or you feel like there could be a recovery, even if the support gets broken through, that's fine. You guys make your own rational decisions. I'm not here to tell you to hold, buy, or sell. I'm just giving you guys the cues to maximize profits and minimize losses, right? And go ahead and make that decision on your own. So the big support here of knowing how much more this is going to fall is 1353. There could be a recovery if it hits down there again, and it can show you that it's testing it as support and the bulls slightly come back up, but they might be below this support, and this support will turn into resistance. So keep that in mind if you wait down that low. Now, if you're really like paying attention and you need to make a decision, just pay very close attention to the fact that if this support gets broken through, how fast is it falling after breaking that support, or is it holding? Because the bulls could be the ones to recover this, even if it breaks through it and falls into newer lows further away from the 50-day moving average. Yeah, the bears are maintaining control, but the bulls can come back and have a slight recovery. I don't know how much of a significance the bullish recovery could be if it happens, possibly, but if it does, you want to keep your eye on it and go from there. But this is another point of reference, 1353. If that gets broken through now, the bears have totally brought this further away from the 50-day moving average, and they broke through two supports. The main support within the last couple of hours and after this recovery is 1367, but 1353 is another point for those of you that feel like holding or watching before making a move. You guys can go ahead and make your decisions from there. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. For all my first time viewers, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and click on the bell to not miss a single video. Share this with you guys as friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button. All my viewers, subscribers, viewers, potential subscribers, hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see how this one plays out, and let's make some money.